Okay, this is my improvement video for the week. My video last week got a little lost in the translation trying to upload it, so I owe one, so I'm going to do 3 improvements this week. One for last week, one for this week, and then a freebie. So I've got my production schedule here. We put all these tabs in so everything's in one file. So then I wanted to sort of take advantage of that and save myself some work every week when I go to update this thing. So right here on the panel matrix, I'm supposed to input the field start date. Now the production schedule has a field start date. So what I did is I came over here and I went into this field start date and I created a VLOOKUP function. So basically what this does is it looks over at this job number over here and it looks up on the production schedule to find that job number and then fills in this date. So that way I don't have to fill in this date, I just have to put in the job number. I also did a VLOOKUP for the job name, so I don't have to fill that in either. So for new jobs, if I just put a job number, I get the job name and the actual field start date automatically based on what the production schedule shows. And then they're always linked, so if I make a change, the other one updates. So that was one of my updates. The other one, which was suggested by my friend Gabriel, which he's really smart, and he thought of this and I loved it. So on it, what he said was, like, look, come in here and click this button that says freeze panes. So now when I scroll down, my header stays fixed at the top. I love that. I mean, that's a really cool little fix that saves me a bunch of time because I kept having to scroll up to see which field was which. I actually did that over here with the palette schedule and the metal takeoff dates and things like that on those headers. Even did it on the production schedule, so as you scroll, those are locked. So that was another nice little improvement that Gabriel recommended, so that's a second improvement. So the third improvement was I wanted to get this metal takeoff date. Now the problem with a VLOOKUP formula is that when you do this formula, it has to have, the thing you're looking for has to be in the far left column, which worked fine on this schedule. But I needed to grab the metal takeoff date from the takeoff matrix. And I'm looking for the date that's at the far left, but I'm searching for something that's in column D. So I didn't know how to do that. I did a little search on Google, came up with a little solution here. So basically I used this index formula. So this index thing looks up for this data that I'm looking for, which is actually this job name, and then finds the same thing on the takeoff matrix, which finds this metal takeoff date. So essentially it's going to look over here for Plymouth. It's going to go to here, it's going to find the Plymouth job, then go all the way to the left, and then find the actual week that the metal takeoff's happening. So that was the last improvement, so I can get the metal takeoff date. So now in my panel schedule, if I put in this job number, it fills in the job name, the metal takeoff date, and the field start dates. And since these two were just formulas anyway, it gives me all my data in one little thing by putting in the job number. So that's my improvement this week, along with the fixed headers, which was great. Thanks, Gabriel. And I'm all caught up on videos. Thank you very much.